Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about nail care. When thinking of dermatology, you may not think of your nails, but nails are an important part of your body and must be attended to as such. Nails can be a reflection of your overall health with regards to disease, such as diabetes, nutrition, trauma, aging, and chronic illness. Discoloration or irregularities in the nails can be an indication of an underlying health condition, such as liver disease, kidney disease, anemia, or diabetes. Proper nail care is important. Fungal infections in nails are common and make up nearly half of all nail-related issues. While these may seem minor, they are actually a common concern communicated to professionals in dermatology. You can avoid nail issues by wearing sandals in showers and at the pool on those hot summer days. This preventative measure will help reduce the risk of developing a fungal infection in the toenails. Pay attention to the color, shape, and thickness of your nails, as these could be signs of other health conditions. If you're experiencing chronic pain or swelling around the nails, consult your dermatologist. There are some steps you can take to make sure your nails stay healthy and clean. Keep them clean, dry, and properly trimmed at all times. When nails grow too long, trim them down with nail scissors and file with an emery board to keep them strong and snag-free. Mimic the same process with toenails, although less regularly since toenails grow at a slower rate. Don't bite your nails, as this can cause damage. Additionally, don't try to dig out ingrown toenails. If you're suffering in pain from an ingrown toenail, it's best to consult a certified professional with experience in practicing dermatology. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe.
This video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have elegant, beautiful nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful gold kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, a cuticle trimmer, an eyebrow tweezer, and 1 acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.